All hazards, WXL40.
Bring the lower. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern York County in south central Pennsylvania until 1 p.m. At 12:22 p.m. severe thunderstorms
The Crosby angle is also
Severe thunderstorm warning for until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. From Columbia to Crossroads to Manchester. Source, radar indicated. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern York County, in south central Pennsylvania, until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Columbia to Crossroads to Manchester, East Lancaster, and York, effective until 1:07 p.m. The National Weather Service and State College PA has issued a
Harrisburg, Dallastown, East York, and Leola. This
on a line extending from Columbia to Crossroads. Impact to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Columbia, Millersville, p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Columbia to Crossroads to Manchester, moving east at 3rd Street. College
5 years guarantee.
between mile marker 0 and 13, and near mile marker 16. Build structure and keep away from windows.
Service office in State College.
Storm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster and York.
And you should join the
National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lancaster County. Extending from Paradise to Corryville to Delta.
The Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Lancaster, York, effective until 1:44 p.m. The National Weather Service and State College.
The thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Paradise to Corryville to Delta, Pennsylvania, southeastern York County in south central Pennsylvania, until 1:30 p.m. 59 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Paradise to Coreyville to Delta, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Paradise to Coreyville to Delta, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Structure and away from windows. Damage to severe weather. Contact your nearest law enforcement agency in Christiana. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Delta, Field, Smithville. Severe weather. Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties. Windows. 59 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Paradise to Coreyville counties, Lancaster and York miles per hour.
What's up? My life. 9.
Are indicated. Willow Street, Paradise, Strasburg, Coreyville, p.m. for the following counties, Lancaster and York. And Christiana. Stay inside a window structure and keep away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in State College, Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties, Lancaster and York.
In the following counties,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Key index values of
There we go.
The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 543, effective until 6 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester, Delaware, and Philadelphia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 543 has been issued from 1:10 p.m. until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester, Delaware, and Philadelphia. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, the voice of the National Weather Service on station West XL39 on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz.
along a line extending from Aberdeen Proving Ground to near Boldy's Quarters, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Antenna, damage to roofs, settings, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations and tactics include Harrisburg, Reading, Newtown, Morton, Old Town, Harrisburg, Harrisburg, Salina, and Kingstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Cause some trees and large branches to fall. Outdoors, and damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees.
Salem, Clayton, Gainesville, Delaware City, Newport, Wilmington, law enforcement agencies. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued at southeastern PM for the following counties: Chester, Pennsylvania, and the following counties: Delaware, Kent, and Newtown, and the following counties in New Jersey: Worcester and Salem, and the following counties in Maryland, Kent, and Queen Anne's.
Forestville, Randyville, and Compton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Newmarket, Alma, Kimball, Hunteville, Kings Crossing, Shenandoah Caverns, Leaxville, Ida, Hamburg, Quicksburg, Fairview, Hakestown, Panorama, Forestville, Raddyville, and Compton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, the city of Worcester in northwestern Virginia. Cedar Grove, Cedar Brook, Stevenson, Wakefield, Cross Junction, Cedar Hill, Rock, Enon Springs, northwest interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Thunderstorm warning for northern Madison County in northwestern Virginia, Central Page County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, west central Culpeper County in northern Virginia until 3:30 p.m. At 2:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lorraine, or 18 miles northwest of Madison, moving at 50 miles per hour. Hazards 20 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Frontier County in northern Virginia, north central Culpeper County in northern Virginia until 3:45. At 3:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles north of Culpeper, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Northern Virginia until 4:30 p.m. At 3:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Culpeper, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official. National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stafford County in northern Virginia, the city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, east central Culpeper County in northern Virginia, northern Spotsylvania County in central Virginia until 5 p.m. At 4 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles south of Linton Hall to 8 miles southeast of Bilton to 11 miles southeast of Culpeper, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Now for
Clark Frederick Loudon Jefferson.
National Weather Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Loudon County in northern Virginia, southeastern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, Clark County in northwestern Virginia, southern Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia until 5:15 p.m. At 4 or 8 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was... Waterford, Gaylord, Millville, Lincoln, Stringtown, Ripon, and Paonian Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.